Hi, amazing class. This is Sister Dorman, and in this video, I'm going to show you a very strong resume from a classmate. And then the second part of the video, I'm going to show how this student has connected her resume to the job application, okay? So this first section right here is called the summary. This is where you summarize skills that really relate to past experience and the current job that you're looking for. All right, so this is what the student says. Motivated, creative, open-minded individual who enjoys hands-on customer services opportunity. All right, this gets you right away. It's not fluffy, meaning she doesn't talk about, 5 years past and how she served a mission and how it was amazing. She gets right to the point. And then she says strong communication skills and can easily establish rapport with people from diverse backgrounds. The only recommendation I would make to this student is to make these complete sentences. Say, I am a motivated, creative, open-minded individual, and same with this second sentence to add the subject I. All right. Let's now look at the skills section. I mentioned this in my first video that I created in week 2, that in the skills section, we want to make sure that they're about 3 words long and not any longer than that. We don't want these words to spill onto that second line. So they're very to the point: strong communication, multitasking abilities, interpersonal skills, and teamwork. All right. And then look at underneath the experience. We can see that it's very organized. All of these are lined up. They're not different fonts. For the experience, she has the name of the job, and then she has the name of the company. This is how it should be organized, all right? And this person has very strong verbs: answer, management, provide, process, document. And notice how all of these are different. The verbs are not repeated once. And so we need to make sure that our word choice is very different from each job. And now I'm going to show you how she highlights skills that the job requires. So this specific student is trying to get a job, a part-time job at Bath and Body Works. Looking at her resume, I would have expected that the skills that she highlights are very strong for this job. So I've color coordinated and shown you how she repeats throughout her essay. So for example, it mentions strong communication skills, okay? And she also includes that in her summary and in the skills. And notice in each one of her experiences, she highlights that communication skills, but in different ways. Answering incoming calls, call monitoring, and providing actionable insight. Okay, the next one is her ability to sell product, provide product and service information. Okay. The next one right here, driven to exceed personal and store results. That means that she's proactive. She includes that throughout her resume. Manage and resolve customer complaints. Managing customer complaints means that you don't have to get your manager every time a customer is mad at you. And then she's proactive because she documents any calls. And then she problem solves. That is proactive. This purple right here means for people who have disabilities, okay? She mentions that right in her summary, which is perfectly fine that she just mentions that once. And then this organized piece right here, she mentioned is it in her skill. All right. So as this student has taken and broken down her job in her resume, that's what I would like to see in your final resumes. I'm going to be comparing your resumes to the original job that you posted, okay? So make sure that they are very similar like this student has done here. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.